Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale with your December DoubleShot kit. The DoubleShot kit comes out every month and includes 2 brand new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments, so you're getting a small sampling of new products each and every month. Along with your kit, you'll have access to 2 recipe cards designed by the design team. They will create a double-page layout, one for each one of the 2 collections. They'll give you cutting and assembly instructions and a full-color photograph of the finished layout. It's a fabulous way to get inspiration and get creating with your kits as soon as they arrive. So this month we are all about Christmas. So our 2 collections are from Cartabella, Christmas Market, and Simple Stories, Say Cheese Christmas. So we have a little bit of fun, whimsical, and a country farmhouse Christmas. I'm really excited about both of these collections, and I hope you are too. So let's dig in and take a closer look at everything you'll be receiving. Christmas Market is a beautiful collection from Cartabella, so you know that beautiful textured heavy cardstock weight paper and the beautiful designs in that country market feel. It is simply stunning. So this first paper, called Holiday Floral, has the holiday that resembles the poinsettias and the little greenery. It's just beautiful. The back is Merry Christmas in a script in black on that dark cranberry red. This one, called Snowflakes, has the snowflakes on that red background, and the back is a black plaid. Then we have this paper called Ornaments, which has the Christmas ornament balls in the different colors, and the back is a cranberry red and green plaid. Just beautiful. So you can see you could do other things besides Christmas with these papers. But isn't that gorgeous? Your cardstock's going to be 2 sheets of vanilla and 1 sheet of red. Your embellishments is going to be a 1/4 a sheet of the journal tags. So you could use this as a strip just as it is on your page, cut it apart, use it as little tuck-ins on your projects, or use them on your gifts. They would be gorgeous. The back is the trees with the snow on them, so you could use either side. You'll receive a 1/5 a pack of the enamel dots, so these will vary, but this is the color that I received, the cranberry red. And then a 1/3 a pack of the ephemera. So again, all of these embellishments will vary, but they'll be very similar. So there's some tags and labels and lots of little sayings for little subtitles and tucking in. So that is Christmas Market from Cartabella. Next, we have Say Cheese Christmas from Simple Stories. So this is a Christmas collection that's fun and whimsical, and it does have a nod to Disney, but you're going to see the papers are completely generic, so there's no Disney references if you don't have Disney photos. And the stickers and the embellishments, there's just a few little nods to Disney, so you can use it for Disney trips at Christmas time or just regular Christmases at home. So this first paper is called Snow Much Fun, and it has the snowmen, their cute little earmuffs and scarves. The back is a striped with all of the colors that you're going to see in this collection. This one, called Best Christmas Ever, with the large polka dots on red, and the back has all of the Christmas text: cheer, joy, believe, love, ho ho ho, magic, peace. So I love the fun little script on that. This paper, called Making Spirits Bright, which is the poinsettia on that beautiful sky blue. And the back is the polka dot on the black. So you can see there's no Mickey heads or anything on the papers, so you can use them for any kind of Christmas memories. The cardstock, you're going to receive 1 sheet of lime and 2 sheets of black. And the embellishments is the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So again, you can see lots of little just Christmas references, only a few that are specifically Disney, like the castle and the Mickey heads, and then just a cute little Mickey head down here. So I'm really excited about this collection. I have a few Christmas pictures from Disney, so I'm going to have some fun. So one more look at your DoubleShot kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the Scrap Room store. We have the Flavors of the Month, which is 4 collections that come out each month. as well as a Shots of Life, which is a Project Life, a card kit, and lots of little special kits available for home decor. So be sure to check them all out. And thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.